Today it's Thursday, August 8, 2024, E63. Small update. Where are we today? All the coolers back in place. Alright. Everything has supposed to be. Everything's been connected, everything's been routed properly. Alright. Alignment. Headlight to the fender to the bonnet, bonnet to the fender and to the bumper to the fender to the headlight to the bonnet. That's the right order. Okay. Yay, hi there. Yep. Not bad, not bad at all. Now, where am I now? What I have done till now? Except of the coolers, the front bumper, the headlights and these things. Okay, obviously you can see that. I'm gonna say what's remaining. What's remaining? First thing first, I haven't connected the battery. The battery's been disconnected. Alright? We haven't tuned the car, we haven't flashed it with a file for the high pressure pumps, standing by for that. But even if we had the software, we haven't connected the fuel line. Alright? One's here, the other one's here. Standing by also for that. And the fuel line, most probably we're gonna remove completely the original one, this one. Alright, and we're gonna crimp a new one from A to Z. Then boost reference, it's here, it's nice, it's not been squeezed by any means. From here, then I open one hole here on this cover and I'm passing it from this side. It comes here, there is one T connector here at this point, and then continue with this one that has reinforced from outside for the blow valve. So I wrote it with this way. Here, this is existing. This existing, you just pull it out and then you can pass whatever you want, because different models, they have different pipes, cables or whatever. Then the air filters, there is no box to be inside. It's like this. Alright, and there are no air ducts to put it here to guide on the box. It's supposed to have one box here, it's supposed to have an air duct here. And Omar, do we have the cover? We don't have also the cover? Lovely. So let's start again. The map sensor are already connected, yes, okay. The methanol jets standing by, it's here. One is here, one's here. The two methanol jets, you're gonna run a line, you're gonna be hidden underneath of this. Each methanol jet has its own check valve, so you no need to put an extra check valve anywhere. No need. This, let's make it down like that, better. Yeah, all right. Finish. Yeah, from this side, because they haven't finished the guys yet with the cables, they're almost done actually. We're gonna put the wheel arch liners. All right. We can put the wheel here, and we can finalize it for the front right side. Okay, for the front left side, they need to make one connection here now on the cables, because that's the level sensor and the other plug, it's the pump. They have to make the connection to finalize also this one, to finish the story from here. And it's coming this week. Today it's Thursday, right? Yes, it's Thursday. This week it's coming the wheel arch liner that has an opening for the cooler. That's what's remaining from the point of the part. Okay, you can say also the crimping for the line, for the high pressure pumps, from the low pressure side to the high pressure pumps, yeah. And the crimping for the methanol jet lines. But to start the engine, it needs to connect the fuel line and then flush the ECU. Alright? I mean, even if it doesn't come the wheel arch liner this week and comes next week, again, we can start the car, we can heat the car. If we do these two things. The fuel line to the pumps and tuning flushing the ECU. Lovely. From down it's connected everything, but the lower arms are not being torqued down. Let me raise it up. Take a look how it looks like the car. It has a dust on it. Yeah, okay. We're gonna make some. We're gonna clean it at the end. One thing that I remember that was missing. It's missing this cover here for the bumper. I hope that this is with the customer. I hope that he keep it with him and where he received the car to put back again. Maybe it's for the transportation. Yeah, let me make it up 1 second. From down, let's start from here. The drive shaft and the heat shield, it's back in place. All right, the down pipes are back in place. Transmission does have oil inside. Yeah, we need to put also oil inside. The ground on the belt housing, lovely. This hop, hop, hop. It's not being bolted down. Let's bolt also this down, this bolt. 1 second, let me do it now before I continue. 1 second. Okay, the E10 bolt, it's been torqued down. Alright, this original has one bracket that comes here. No, it doesn't have the bracket. It has a cover that's covering down here, so it's not gonna hang down. It's nice on this to do what? To make one bracket, let us say from here till here, to put this inside. This is gonna be nice. I'm gonna see if I have a time to do that. Alright, then the steering rack with the plate back in place, the cables being routed properly, how it's supposed to be. Alright, this is the transmission cooler and the short bolt here that I said before. Now it's a little bit more down, never mind. Here has a bracket, the bolt on the bracket and the bolt on this bracket in place, how it's supposed to be. The sensor for the air conditioning is on. The brackets here, the 25 Torx, it's been bolted down, doesn't move at all. Nice, nice. We are looking good. We are looking good. Not bad, not bad. Right, now let's make it down again. Dang it, what I forget, the lower arms, they're not being torqued down. It has to sit down the car equal, all four wheels. Usually what we're doing, we're getting 4 pieces of wood that's the same height, all of them. We put on the tires to have some clearance to come down and torque down the bolts for the lower arms, so to be in neutral position, so don't be fully deployed the suspension or fully compressed. Yes, that's what I want to say. This is classic in any car. Whenever we are losing any boost of the lower arm, again we are torquing it down when it's neutral, when it's flat, on the correct right height of the car. Alright, once again, this is 101. This I didn't even have to mention, but I'm saying, I'm putting into the video. Let's make it down. It doesn't have, it has coil over. Okay, so we are not waiting. No, we are waiting for the rear one, because the rear one has a balloon. So we're gonna fix the height to be nice and straight, to don't have any imperfection. Because if it's fully down, the rear one, okay, the front one has a coil over, has a spring, but to be nice, we're gonna follow again the same procedure, like any other time. When I finish this video, the guys, they're gonna put 11 liters of engine oil inside, direct. They were gonna put coolant for the radiator, coolant for the intercooler. There, for the wiper blades, distilled water, what we are putting all the time. Okay, transmission oil, and for the air condition, for the gas, we are leaving it at the end to make a vacuum, to make it to have a suction, and then to charge it properly. All right, next video is gonna be the first start. Yes, because we're supposed to have already done with the fuel line and flashing the ECU with the software for the high pressure pumps. We're gonna see. Okay, let's send a couple of pictures to the customer, to the owner, and that's it, nothing else. Did I forget something? No. Even if I forget something, I'm gonna show you on the next video. On the next video, it will gonna be the first start, and it will gonna be also with the new wheel latch liner. We're gonna see about that with the new wheel latch liner. If I arrive, I'm gonna show you. And again, I don't feel bad that I'm changing it, because this is partially broken, so it's not bad. It's not bad, especially that we're gonna have also the opening for the cooler. Thank you very much. Over and out. You know what's gonna happen, eh? You're gonna get a thumbnail. This one. This is gonna get a thumbnail. There. Okay, Mr. Omar. Okay, sir. I cannot turn the camera there because there are 1, 2, 3, 4 number plates. I'm gonna pause it until you come here because you have to walk 10 minutes to come here. Come there. Stay there. What I want from you?
The method installation.
No, I don't care about the method installation. I put for you the jets here.
Yeah.
Alright, it's done. The boost reference you can get from there. What I want from you? The fuel line. To finalize the fuel line. Can you arrange tomorrow to come these guys here to finalize the fuel line?
If I bring the fitting and the sleeve over here, we can cut over here. Then I go to clamp it here. If I wait for these guys, it will take so long.
Okay, we're gonna do it. You're gonna bring the fittings here. I'm gonna give you the fuel line to find for me a fitting. I don't want to have a connection with 10 connections. I want one from here, alright? One T to give to each pump and finish the story.
Okay.
Alright? To be nice and clean. Yeah. It didn't have the cover here, it didn't have the air duct that comes here. Where are all these things?
When we see the car, we have a video this one. We have this air duct.
Where are they? We have it?
Yeah.
Okay, if we have it, be careful because they're coming apart. This if you... nice. Why you didn't say so? Why you didn't tell me that? What else we have? Whatever we have.
Some new.
Okay, well, I'm gonna wash this one.
And the middle cover only?
Yeah, carefully because it might get destroyed, you know. We don't want to destroy it. I'm gonna clean it. Because don't push it or force it. These are fragile. Okay, let me clean it a little bit to put it on also this. You like it?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes, sir.
What do you like? Tell me, Tassos, you're stupid or what? Okay, you put it here. Where the fuck are you gonna put it here? There is nothing, there is no box to put it anywhere, to connect it anywhere. Yeah, this looks a little bit stupid. I mean, yeah. It's supposed to have, you know, one box, something to close inside and supply with the fresh air from front here, for fuck's sakes. Yeah. Never mind, okay, keep it like that. But we have it right, we put it on, okay, what to do? Sir, let me finalize the video, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can say to me next time, tell me, Tassos, okay, yeah, okay. You're gonna clean it, you're gonna put it. Where you're gonna put exactly, you know? That's it. Thank you.